Hello and welcome. Welcome to the pool room. I'm coming around. Okay, so what I have here, this is one of the pets we used to run the Bradley Brothers bulletin board on, but it is not coming up. It is not, but the monitor lights up. I did connect. Come on, keyboard. Come on, keyboard. Holy mama. I did connect the pet companion. I did. The other thing I did was I connected, gotta be careful not to hurt anything as I move things. I did mark all the ROM chips because they are special. And now I'm gonna take the board from the burned out pet. I'm gonna set it on a big envelope. I'm gonna grab all the connectors, which is only 3. The monitor. There we go. The keyboard. And something. And the power. Okay, so it's sitting in there. So let me just go back here, make sure I've not fumbled anything to do with the pet companion. It still looks good. And now I'll turn it on and see if anything comes up. Oh, look at that. Huh. Now nothing is coming up through the pet companion. Huh, interesting. Am I still plugged in? I am. I'm going to turn this off. Make sure I'm in okay. Double check the power cut. Now, the ports on this are kind of dirty. So they might need the rubber band treatment. They might. But we're in okay. So. Oh, of course not. I'm not really plugged in to the right circuit board. Dum dum dum. Dum 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 dum. Let's just turn this back on for a second. Okay. Well, the keyboard is connected. Okay, there's the shift lock is down. I think there's a key stuck. Well, I think there's, oh yeah, there is the 0 key. There we go, it's stuck. Okay, now we're going. It's funny how one key makes all the difference. But so far, this looks okay. So definitely, whatever is going wrong, the treble is on the circuit board. Now, the thing that's in here that makes this so interesting is all the ROMs from the Bbbbs. So I guess what I really need to do next is take them out one by one. All the ROMs in this pet here are indeed in sockets, and I believe they are in the board underneath, so I should be able to swap them over and see if any of them are the trouble. Now, they were all EEPROMs, all of them, and they didn't have anything over the windows except for one. I would like to think that sitting inside a dark pit for decades would not have blanked them, because there's no way that light could have got in. But I guess we'll see. And the thing, of course, I'm interested in about all these ROMs is we had special ROMs that auto-booted and did all kinds of things ahead of their time, thanks to a genius named David Williams. Anyway, I realize, of course, now I know this board works with the Pet Companion. I don't need to be trying it out, because I know it does. I know it, because I've already done it on here. So, it's always a great way to isolate what's wrong, is to replace something. And if the circuit board's not working, try another one. If the monitor's not working, hook up the Pet Companion. And as I found with this other machine over here that smoked, there is always a chance that the power supply goes terribly bad. Anyway, hopefully not. But, things happen. So I'm going to let this sit here and just test a bit before I get into doing anything else. I shall indeedy. Anyway, thanks for coming to the pool room. We'll see what we get into next, but I think it will be... Well, I guess I'm going to take the ROMs out. One thing I did do is I did cover all the windows on the EEPROMs, and I have marked them going from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think there are 7. Undoubtedly, there's probably a paper clip and a WordPro something in there. It's really probably the first 5 that I need. The ones in this machine are marked very nicely, and I'll make sure to get them back in properly. Anyway, all right, that's it. That's all for now. Have a beautiful, beautiful day, and we'll see you again soon. Back in the pool room. Bye for now.